I was invited by BALTIC Learn to deliver biro drawing workshops to around 120 children to create a new artwork in BALTIC Learning Lounge. The BALTIC workshops were inspired by Animalesque exhibition and are part of my Where Did All the Animals Go art and environmental education project in partnership with Born Free. Chimpanzee Community Mural, featuring drawings of chimpanzees by the children, is in response to artworks displayed in Animalesque. The artwork was also inspired by the chimpanzees of Liberia Chimpanzee Rescue, a chimpanzee sanctuary and conservation centre rescuing chimpanzees who are victims of the illegal bushmeat and pet trades. The number of children who produced drawings for the mural mirrors the population of a typical chimpanzee community, and I gave the children different images of individual chimpanzees to draw and encouraged them to express through their drawings that, like humans, chimpanzees cradle their infants, hug, laugh, play, fight, and mourn their loved ones. Each child's unique drawing style communicates the individuality of each chimpanzee depicted, and I asked children to sign their name next to their drawing in order to communicate that each of us, no matter our species, is an individual being that lives our life according to our needs. In order to create the mural, I individually cut out each drawing. This process is intended to visually echo Mary Beth Edelson's mural. Through the beauty of child art and the children's biro drawings inspired by individual chimpanzees engaged in shared everyday activities, I also hope the mural will create emotional connections, leading to compassion for and further conservation of chimpanzees. I'm incredibly proud of all the children's work. They worked exceptionally hard to create their drawings and they're all so beautiful.